officers all fly the A-10. And now, Chico, let's get it started from behind and to your right, Captain Shirley and the mighty Warthog. Watch now as Captain Shirley pulls the A-10 straight to the vertical. Now from the left, Captain Shirley displaying the Warthog's rolling maneuverability.
I'm honored today to demonstrate for you how we're getting that job done with the mighty A-10 Warthog. Enjoy the show.
Thank you, Captain Shirley. The A-10's maintainability is proven every time it flies in every imaginable climate.
Off this car. Okay, if you own this gold car, oh my goodness, folks. Okay, folks, what do you think we should do with it? Oh, come on, now that's just cold. You wouldn't say that if it was yours. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop it!
Today's Olympic Heart is dedicated to all the moms and kids in the crowd today. Thank you so much for coming out and supporting your local air show.
I got 4 years.